Harbor Kidz, it's like energy. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I mean, you get the lyrics, you get the beats and all of that, but it's like it's the energy. You know, you got some groups that's real technical and all of that. Then you got some groups that just comes with that hip hop energy, and that's what I feel like Harbor Kidz comes with. So like when I team up with him, it's kind of like I can kind of loosen up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And not be so technical.
Yeah.
So we usually have a lot of fun on the projects that we do. So
It feels
yeah.
like it.